What is up, my subscribers and my human made family? Welcome back to a new video. As you can see, a little bit more energy is coming out of me right now because I'm excited about the things that just came in the mail recently. Before we begin the video, please hit that subscribe button if you're new. Hit that like button if you like the content. Drop a comment down below if you feel like you want to say something, or just chop it up with me in the comment section down below. Also, follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe to follow me and see what I have going on in my day-to-day life. I'll be posting up mostly on my story and sometimes on my actual Instagram page that I normally post of, like rarely. If y'all want to chop it up with me, hit me in the DMs, I'll hit you up. I'll talk to you. I ain't scared to talk to my subscribers. It's been fun talking to you all recently. But anyway, enough of that I really enjoyed from a drop from about 2 weeks ago, and they finally came in. I'm excited that they came in, and these 3 t-shirts, I don't think I'm going to be reselling it. I don't think I'm keeping all 3 of these. And I had another package that came in today that I ordered this past Friday, because they're supposed to do a drop on Friday. They didn't drop anything, but if you pay attention to Human Made, you know when they drop on like Friday night past the drop time. So I had picked up some shit and it sold out, so I'm gonna be reselling the things that I picked up this past Friday as well, that I'll be showing y'all this video. I'm showing y'all that first. But that's enough talking. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Alright, so for the first package that I got, came in today for Human Made, is this. Yeah. Y'all can see my address. Well, y'all probably seen a little bit of over. I'll just blur it out. But yeah, this in here I had ordered on Friday. They didn't. I thought they were gonna do a drop Friday night. They did it. So like 30 minutes after the drop, they had secretly kind of under the radar dropped some stuff in there, and I just decided to pick it up, and I'm gonna be reselling this shit. So let me bust it on for y'all. I like that right now. I wonder if anything. Trying to make sure there's nothing extra in here. So what I got 2 packs. I'm selling these 2. But let me bust it open and show y'all what's in these 2 poly mailers. So, alright, so what I picked up, if you've been following them on Instagram, they did a secret little quick drop, which is the face mask from Human Made. They got like this baby blue and this gray. These sold out so damn quick. I'm glad that I caught mine and I caught them. They did another restock on these like an hour later, and then they fucking sold out within another 1 to 2 minutes of being up on the website. And I'm glad I caught these because I'm reselling these because I know a lot of people need a face mask. I already have a bunch, not of Human Made. I already have some face masks that I normally wear. I decided like I want to just resell these and get a quick flip. Use that flip money to buy them on Human Made. So can't beat that. And yeah, I'm just gonna use this resale money to keep buying shit and create more, like to put more stuff on my page to show you all that what I caught and some of the stuff I'm gonna keep and resell and just keep the cycle going. So I caught these 2 face masks, the baby blue, the I guess you say wolf gray. Yeah, I'll be reselling these. Also follow my GRAILED account. I have a link down below. I would suggest if you follow my GRAILED account, you'll see shit that's on my GRAILED account before I will show you on my videos, because this is gonna go straight up on my GRAILED account soon I'm done this video. So just a heads up, in the future, I'm gonna be dropping more Human Made stuff on my GRAILED account before YouTube channel on the video. So just a little heads up. All right, so the first, hold on, let me show you. I got 3 boxes. Haven't even opened them yet. Haven't opened these 3 boxes, but I already know what it is in here. Like what I ordered. Where's my knife? Oh well, I'll just use my finger. Where is my knife? Oh well. Anyway, I just rip it on my finger. So yeah. Alright, so what's in the first box is, yeah, oh, what is this? Hold on before I show y'all. So, yeah, there we go. That's dope. Oh, okay. They just gave me another keychain. It's a Human Made keychain with a heart, and it has a key up under the heart, which is dope. They gave me a keychain that says Human Made on it, and it's clear. Yeah, that's pretty dope. I'm gonna do a giveaway. If I get more of these, I'll do a giveaway. I'll give, how many ever I get in these other 2 boxes, I'll do a giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of the video. We're gonna see how many of these keys we get, and I'll give 2 of them away if I have 3 in all. I'm gonna keep 1 for myself if I get 3. So, keychain, dope. Good shit, Human Made. Appreciate that. All right, first item. Oh, this shirt, man. I ignored every other damn shirt that was on that damn homepage of Human Made, I ignored all the other shirts I seen. This one drew me right to them and made me want to purchase. And I did like separate orders. I did like a single cart order instead of like multi-cart order. I don't know why. But this is a shirt that I got. Oh my god, yo, this shit is just so dope to me. This tiger head is just so dope, especially on this black. I just feel like black and yellow go perfect together, and that white helps it as well. I got this in 2XL, and you know what I'm gonna say. The quality is A1. The print is perfect. It's nice and soft, not too heavy. It has that like somewhat vintage feel to it with the print, because you can see the you can see through the print by seeing the shirt behind it. But yeah, I got this shirt, 2XL, dope as shit. I'm keeping it, and I'm not giving this away. This is one. I think it's gonna be one of my favorite tees that I copped so far, because I don't know why. I know you're like, what's a simple shirt? But I get it. But man, this yellow, yellow and black, just a good complementary color. But yeah, this is one of my favorite shirts. I copped this ASAP. You can't get them no more. They're sold out. They was on the site for a while. I'm like, damn, these shit still sitting. Then I had checked the other day to see they were still up. Nope, they was gone. Take it down from the site. And I'm like, I'm glad I got mine when I got mine. And I didn't hesitate. I just pulled the trigger and got them. And I remember when I bought them, because my partner Rico came over and we got fucking high as shit. Thank you, Rico. And he knew I was high as hell, so I ordered all this shit while high. What else we got? All right, we got another one. We got another keychain. Yep, we doing a giveaway. We are doing a fucking giveaway. Oh, drop the ring. Got another key. Yes, sir. We got another key. I'll be doing a giveaway. So, the 2 keychains, I'll tell you what to do at the end. How to get enter to win this. But yep, we got 2 keychains so far. We're finna bust open the second box. Well, we already busted off. We're gonna open this one. Alright, so this shirt right here. Fire. Eddie, here we go. Let's go. This shirt is just so hard, yo. This shirt is just so hard with the colors. It's just so simple. You got a red, green, and yellow, and white. Fire. And this gave me like the fall type of vibes with these colors. That's all I'm getting is fall vibes from this. And I will be wearing this in the fall. And I just bought a dope ass flannel and that I can wear on top of this. I'll show this. I just ordered the flannel from Minimum, and I can throw this right on with that flannel. Because it has like some of the same colors in it, and it'll be perfect for that for the fall time. So I'll be wearing this in the fall. Also, I have like this green like beanie that can go with this as well, which would be perfect for the fall as well. And I have like this like a maroon reddish beanie as well that I can wear with this. That'll be perfect. And this is just one of my favorite t-shirts. This shirt came in a white as well, but I was digging this black so much, and I'm glad that I had picked up the black shirt before that white one, because that black shirt sold out quick as shit, and I'm glad that I got it. I'm keeping this staying in the collection, and I will not be reselling it. Now, if you give me a good ass price, that'll make my ears pucker up a little bit. Hey, I'll sell it, but it'll be hard to get it off my hands. It better be a good ass price for me to sell it to you. But yeah, this shirt, hard. Human Made, keep that shit coming, I swear, yo. Y'all just killing me right now with these fucking fire ass designs. And Nigo, whoever you got designing for you, A1, dog. I just like this, like the simplicity of the clothing brand compared to bape, because bape was just right in your face, a whole bunch of shit going on, but this is just a little bit subtle, more mature. Got their Americana shit going on, their workwear look going on. It's just hard, yo, just hard. But anyway, I kind of secretly like unzipped this one just a second ago when I was all picking it up. But yeah, this is the last package that I got, and let's bust this last one open. It's gonna be wrapped for y'all. So ladies, bust it wide open, and I'm gonna tell your ass to bring it back. All right, let's get this shit. And we got a third one. I'm keeping this one. I'm keeping this one. I am keeping this last keychain. This going to me. I'm keeping this. Let's go, bro. Human Made. Keep this shit coming. Man, I'm starting to do like single cart now. Cause if I keep doing single carts, that means I get multiple little trinkets like this, then I can just give it away for y'all. I mean, I'm kind of sort of getting it for free, and I'm just giving it back to y'all. So it all come back full circle. I'm happy, y'all happy. We all a big Human Made family. Yeah. So I'll be keeping out, and the other 2 I'll give away. I'll tell you what you gotta do to get these at the end of the video. So the last t-shirt that I got is somewhat of a double up, but it ain't a double up. It's somewhat a cousin, but it kind of brother and sister. But the shirt that I cop that I'm damn sure ain't giving this one away. And I know I'm gonna get like what kind of shoes I'm gonna get with these. So this shirt right here. Here we go. Yes, I know I got the same shirt, but this shirt just a white version of the one I had just unboxed a second ago. So the story behind me picking this one up is like I picked the black one up and then I got the duck t-shirt. And then so I'm just sitting there just smoking with Rico. We just sitting there talking. I'm like, bro, I'm just sitting there on my computer just looking at this shirt, just looking at it. I'm like, that white one go hard too, bro. That white one goes stupid. So I was thinking to myself, like, should I get the white one? Rico like, yo, bro, go ahead and get it, bro. Go ahead and get it. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna get it. So I copped the white version of the black tee. Man, listen though. Listen, like I said, yellow and black go perfect together. Just perfect together. And another thing too about this shirt, I seen on GRAILED, they have like another variation of the tiger, of this tiger. It's bigger. It's a little bit bigger on the t-shirt, and they had a white. They have a white and black version, same like type of tiger, but just a little bit bigger, and the design's a little bit like kind of. I'll just have it up on the screen for y'all to see. I'm gonna save up a little bit more money. I'm copping those too as well, and I'm keeping them for my collection. For me, I will not be reselling those. So I'm gonna just hold out for a little bit longer until that seller decide to drop the price again and drop the price again. Then I'm snag them up and get them. So that's my plan for getting those other two Tiger t-shirts. I'm thinking like Tiger logo, the duck logo, the bear logo, and the pig in that order. That's like my favorite to, you know, least favorite. So yeah, that is it. Before I end the video, let me tell you how you can enter in to get these. You already know what to do. Drop a comment down below, drop your Instagram name down below, and follow me on Instagram. You have to be following me on Instagram in order to win these. I will be checking if you are following me. So drop your Instagram name down below, just so I can know that you entered in to win one of these keychains. Two winners could win this keychain. Free shipping, all on me. Say it again, free shipping, all on me. Don't worry about a damn thing. I got y'all. I love y'all. Y'all been showing me so much support. I have to give back. I'll be a fool not to give back. I'd be selfish not to give back to you all, because this channel is slowly growing, and the comments that I've been getting of lately, the DMs that I've been getting for y'all on IG just been crazy, having good conversation. I got a lot of shit lined up for this damn channel. I got a box right here. Fire. Wait till next Sunday. I will be unboxing that. I got a lot more shit coming. I got some live cop coming for next week. I'm gonna do a live cop video, so y'all be tuned. Y'all stay tuned for that. I got so much shit planned for this channel. Y'all better buckle the fuck up and prepare to go on this ride with me, because I noticed and I'm watching who's down for the ride and who just here just to be here. So again, thank you all for fucking subscribing, liking, commenting, hit me up on IG. I thank you all. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at mattxi.exe. Hit me up if y'all want to chop it up. Until next time, I'll catch y'all. I'm out. Peace.